Hey everybody, it's a Texas Rail fan here in Elgin, Texas, and I was just sitting over there, and I hear this train horn. It sounds like maybe a Gevo, so I figured I'd come out and video. I haven't done one of these nighttime shots in a while, so I figured it'd be pretty fun to do. I don't know how far out he is, I just heard his horn. Wind's blowing my way, so it could be up to 15 miles away. Sorry you can't see anything but that yellow post. It's just my road is really dark. I can hear his motor actually. Well, I'll unpause this video whenever I see him. I see your lights coming around the corner there. She'll be here any minute when we get to my spot. Hadn't caught a train on the Waco sub here in Elgin in over 2 or 3 weeks, I think. Probably more. Just to let you guys know, it's about 10 o'clock at night, and I just came out from Dallas, and I'm just south of Austin now, so it's kind of annoying, and I'm going into bed and get some sleep here in a minute. I am exhausted. Caught too many metro trains and TRE and all that crap. Caught a UP grain and coal passing down in Waco. Here she comes here. I hear the motor coming around the corner. They do like to take their time coming here southbound. Now I do believe Tony Cantu saw this just earlier today. That, or it could be the BNSF local. I know they reroute it through here every now and then. It's the right time for it. Well, I'm gonna pause the video until she comes up on us here. Hey, I can see her lights pretty close. I don't think I need to pause. I know you guys can't, but I can really well. Well, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause real quick. Well, should I? I'm trying to decide, because I think I see her lights coming around the corner there. Nah, not worth it. There she is right there. There you go. Now you get a full glimpse of what those headlights are. That looks like maybe a Gevo. Probably either a Gevo or a Jeep, if I had to assume. Sounds like a Jeep. They run real darn slow. I'm gonna pause till she gets up here. Well, no. Having pausing problems tonight. I really don't know what that is. Probably a Gevo. That was a Gevo, a Mac, and a Gevo on the local mixed freight train out from Eagle Pass. That's gonna be it for now, guys. See you in the morning.